Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Audi Q3 S-Line. This is the 2-litre TDI, 185 brake horsepower, Quattro automatic that we have on sale here. Finished in the white paint. This car is in excellent condition. Normally this car would go straight to the auction, but as I say, it's a really good condition car. You got the suede Alcantara interior with the S-Line seats, tinted glass. It's got electric tailgate that works off your key fob, front and rear sensors, and like I say, it's in excellent condition. There's no scratches, marks or scuffs. You wouldn't think it's done 79,220, but as I say, it's been really well looked after. So for more details, please make sure when you inquire you ask for myself, that's Phil Sadler, or my colleague Youssef with the Insect Specialist team that can help you further. Many thanks.